If you are only looking for a high-rise apartment in Medellin, then you're missing out on some of the best real estate in the city. Hidden in the neighborhood of Los Balsos is a country-style home with its own private garden that feels like a mountain retreat, but it's just 5 minutes from everything in the city. Today, I'm going to be showing you this specific property that is a rare find in El Poblado. This is perfect for a buyer who wants privacy without the commute. So let's go into the walkthrough. Quick note before we jump into the tour, if you are looking to buy in Medellin in the next 30 days and your budget is $150,000 or more, then we can help you move fast and buy properly. We don't just sell properties that are in our direct inventory. We search the entire market based on your criteria and we act as your private MLS. We only work with buyers who are ready to follow our process and move seriously. So if that's you, then go ahead and fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description. Fill out the quick form and we'll take it from there. Welcome to the channel. My name is Francisco. This is the Medellin Living Real Estate YouTube channel. Today, we are going to be looking at this amazing country style house in the neighborhood of Los Balsos in El Poblado. El Poblado has 22 neighborhoods and this is just one of them. And I'll go over on the map afterwards to show you where we are and what's around you. But we have 360 square meters here. We're walking through the indoor patio into the private garden area here. Just imagine yourself hosting friends and family, right? You have a lot of space to work here. They were using this area more as a storage unit. They were thinking about converting it into a gym. So that's something that you could possibly do, or maybe you can kind of take down that little wall there and kind of expand that private area that's there. The kitchen, as we walk in here, was fully remodeled, and I love what they did here. It was just remodeled just a few years ago. As we come to the back area where there's the laundry area, and this used to be the maid's quarter, and I loved how they changed it into a studio. The current owners, they record music, so they turned this into more of like a studio slash office. You could keep it like that, or you can change it back to more storage room, right? A lot of people, that's what they usually do. They'll convert that into a like a pantry area, expanding the kitchen, or you can turn it back to a maid's quarter if you have a live-in maid. As we go up here to the second floor, because there are 2 floors, you also saw stairs leading downwards. That leads down to the garage, where you have enough space there for your vehicle there, and some storage downstairs as well. So 3 bedrooms up here with 3 full bathrooms. The gated community, it is a gated community that has 24-hour security, and you are in Los Balsos. Again, you're very close to a lot of things around you, and I'll go over that here on the map after we finish the walkthrough here. So I'll let you guys finish the walkthrough here, and then we'll go to the map to show you what we have around you and where exactly you're located. Okay, so let's take a look at the listing for this property. It is on our website, by the way. You can check us out at MedellinLivingRealEstate.com. There you'll be able to browse all of our properties that we have available for sale. And the details for this property will also be listed down below in the description. So let's go over to Google Maps to show you where this property is located and where Los Balsos is. Los Balsos is located in the hills of El Poblado, so it's not very walkable. I have it marked out here in yellow. This whole area is Los Balsos. As I was saying, it's up in the hills. It's also an exclusive area, and it's a very residential area as well. You're just not going to be able to walk around as much as you would like compared to Manila or Patio Bonito or the other walkable areas of El Poblado. Where this property is located, it's located in this purple area, so in this general area right there. And you have a few things around you. Inside Los Balsos, you have a very popular cafe, Pergamino Cafe. It's one of the more well-known brands out here in Medellin. And you just have it right here marked out in red, this little box that I marked out. It's just about a 5-minute Uber ride away from this property. Also 5 minutes away from you are 3 Also 5 minutes away from you are 3 amazing shopping malls. You have El Tesoro, which I marked out right here, just above the Los Balsos area in red. Right here, this is El Tesoro, one of the nicest shopping malls that we have here in the city. And then a little bit over to the left, over here, the west, I marked out both shopping malls, the Oviedo shopping mall and the Santa Fe shopping mall, which are both located on Avenida Poblado, Carrera 43A. So you can kind of get an idea how close you are to a main road as well. In just about 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes away in Uber, you have Provenza. A little bit farther up here, I marked it out in red. I'll zoom out so you can kind of see how far you are, but that's just about a 10-minute, 15-minute drive away if you want to go enjoy some nightlife over here in Provenza. Lastly, you do have an exclusive country club, El Club Campestre, which I marked out right here in red. Just about 5 minutes. You can go here and you can go swimming, you can go golfing. You do have to pay a membership and it's a very high price. Again, this whole area and the surrounding neighborhoods, it's exclusive. So things are going to be a little bit more expensive, including the membership for this country club over here. But that's pretty much it for the area of Los Balsos. Yes, it's up in the hills. You'll probably have your own transportation or you'll be using Uber a lot more. You're also in a very residential and quiet and safe area. And you're also in a very exclusive area, right? This is a little bit more upscale neighborhood, so things will be a little bit more expensive, but the lifestyle in this area will also be a little bit better. So there you have it for this country style home in Los Balsos. If this is something that you guys are interested in and you're ready to buy in 30 days, or maybe you're interested in something else, or maybe you saw something else on someone else's website and you want to work with us, then go ahead and fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description. Fill out the form and someone on our team will reach out to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.